Midday News is brought to you by Dogra A1 Digital Hearing Aid Center, Jammu, offering special discounts for the senior citizens and reimbursement schemes for the government employees. Hizbul Mujahideen chief Saifullah Islam Mir was killed in an encounter on the outskirts of the city on Sunday, police said, describing it as a huge success for the security forces. Mir, also known as Dr. Saifullah and Ghazi Haider, has taken the commands of the outfit after killings of his predecessor, Riaz Naiku, in May this year. He was one of the most wanted terrorists in the Kashmir Valley and involved in several attacks on the security forces. Addressing a press conference here, Director General of Police Dilbag Singh said Mir was active since October 2014 and was associated with slain Hizbul Mujahideen commander Burhan Wani for a very long time. His killing is a huge success for the security forces, Singh added. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Sunday inaugurated the Mansar Lake project in Jammu, which he said will attract 20 lakhs tourists every year once completed. The Union Minister said that it was a historic day for the people of the region as the Mansar Lake development plan was getting fulfilled after a wait of 70 long years. Speaking after the E-Foundation stone laying ceremony of the comprehensive Mansar Lake regeneration development plan, Singh said that number of national projects initiated in the region over the last 6 years are more than number of the such projects initiated in the early 7 decades.
40 वर्ष से विलंबित पड़ा हुआ था। जब प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के ध्यान में ये बात लाई गई तो उनके व्यक्तिगत हस्तक्षेप से दोनों प्रदेशों पंजाब और जम्मू कश्मीर के चीफ सेक्रेटरियों की श्रृंखलाबद्ध ढंग से मीटिंग्स बुलाई गई पीएमओ में और आज ये प्रोजेक्ट पुनः चालू हो चुका है। 1-1.5 साल में प्रारंभ हो जाएगा।
With 45,230 new infections in the last 24 hours, India's total COVID-19 tally reached to 82,29,313 on Monday, according to the data by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. With 496 new deaths, the new cumulative toll in the country reached to 1,22,607. At present, there are active cases of 5,61,908 as the total recoveries reached to 75,44,798 with 53,285 new discharges in the last 24 hours. Jammu and Kashmir government on Sunday informed that 540 new positive cases of novel coronavirus, 171 from Jammu and 369 from Kashmir division have been reported, thus taking the total number of positive cases in Jammu and Kashmir to 95,325. Also, 4 deaths have been reported, 1 from Jammu division and 3 from Kashmir division. Moreover, 629 more COVID-19 patients have been recovered and discharged from various hospitals, including 221 from Jammu division and 418 from Kashmir division. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Sunday said his administration is working on a strategic plan for development of the tourism sector to make the Union Territory the most preferred tourist destination in the country. Sinha was speaking after inaugurating virtually the comprehensive Mansar Regeneration and Development Plan worth Rs 198.37 crore in the presence of Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh. Sinha said tourism contributes about 7% to Jammu and Kashmir's GDP, and the revival of tourism sector is the topmost priority of this administration. The Jammu and Kashmir government has evacuated about 7,61,720 JK residents stranded in the other parts of the country due to the COVID lockdown via Lakhanpur and through other special trains and buses till date, amidst the strict observance and all necessary guidelines and standard operating procedures. As per the official data received in this regard, the Jammu and Kashmir administration has received 155 special trains at Jammu and Udhampur railway station from different states and UTs so far, with about 1,40,292 passengers, while about 6,21,428 people from the other states and UTs, including 937 from abroad, have been evacuated by the government to the Lakhanpur till date. Amid amidst the deployment of Indian troops in the harsh winter to counter China on the line of actual control, Army doctors achieved a major feat at an altitude of 16,000 feet as they successfully removed an appendix of a soldier in a duct at a forward surgical center in eastern Ladakh. The surgery was performed by the team of 3 doctors, including a lieutenant colonel, a major, and a captain on a soldier who could not be evacuated by chopper due to the weather conditions. 2 government officials have been placed under the suspension in a document fraud case as a 5-member committee was set up to probe the matter. The committee, headed by the Joint Director, Directorate of School Education Jammu, has been asked to conduct an in-depth inquiry into the case. The case is related to the production of forged documents by the official to the Drawings and Disbursing Officer of the Higher Secondary School Bharat in Doda district and subsequent withdrawals of the salary and the other emoluments in his favour by the in-charge DDO without verifying the authenticity of documents despite clear instructions of DSEJ.